This is MGM Car Design.
So today we're gonna show you about Newton's second law.
Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object is dependent upon two variables, the net force acting upon the object and the mass of the object, F equals m times a.
In other words, the force that something can exert is directly proportional to object's mass times its
An
acceleration.
object has is how much it weighs. Depending on the mass is how much force or energy the car gets when it advances. Changing the car's mass affects the force because the weight is something that causes the motion of the object to change.
The acceleration for the car is the rate of change of velocity of an object. It affects the force because the acceleration will occur in the direction of the force, and force is needed for acceleration, so more force equals more acceleration.
While the car is standing still, the car only has its mass. No force, no acceleration.
Acceleration of the car was at first slow, but then gained speed or force. This is because the power force from the car, which are the mousetraps, have more strength. Not at the beginning, they have it through the track.
The weight or mass that the car had does affect the acceleration and force that the car gets. The car went slower, so that means it had more mass. It had less acceleration and it needs more force to be applied to it.
Car had more mass, and we can see the acceleration that it had. With this multiplied, we can calculate the force it got. By adding more mass to the car, it goes slower.
As you can see, the car with no mass added had a distance of 2.881 meters and an acceleration of 0.56 meters per second. The car with 100 grams of mass added had a distance of 2 meters and an acceleration of 0.5 meters per second. And the car with 200 grams of mass added had a distance of 1.73 meters and an acceleration of 0.3 meters per second. As you can see, each time the car had more weight, the car went slower and advanced less. Calculate the formula. You add the mass added to the car and the acceleration. So the mass is 100 times the acceleration, which is 0.5. You get an equals of 50, which is the force. So in the second one, you got a mass of 200 times the acceleration, which is 0.3. You multiply them and get a speed of 60.
Thank you for watching our video. MGM out.